afternoon, Leo ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good evening.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
ठीक है. Hello, good evening, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yes, see, the rule of our class is whenever I will be asking you to show a thumbs up, you should have a badi wali smile and a great smile on your face. Okay? So whenever I will be asking you to show a thumbs up, you will be showing a thumbs up with a badi wali smile. Okay? Because I believe when you will be happy, then only your drawing will be happy. Okay? So let's start a lovely drawing of today with a badi wali smile. Okay? So you all must be thinking what ma'am is going to teach us new today. I know you must be thinking this. So my dear student, acha, you find out. I will give some hints that what is our today's topic. Today's topic is related to 9th May. What is on 9th May? Yes, yes, yes. Mother's Day. Yes. And today's artwork is related to Mother's Day. Okay. And I'm talking very slowly because it's a surprise for your mom. Okay. Because you all want to make something amazing for your mom now. This is a drawing, a lovely card you can devote, you can dedicate to your mom. Okay. And in this, you can write your own lines, your gratitude, your love. And next class is going to be super exciting because we will not only learn to how to do color, but little craft also we will apply. Okay. Some cut, paste and all this. And we will make it lovely and beautiful. So let me see your smile. Are you excited to learn this? Can I see the great and badi wali smile? Yes. So chalo, without delay, let's get started. Okay. So see, for making this artwork, I will be using my drawing file. See, these are two circles because we need two circles. This is a bangle. You can take mom's bangle and one more circle, and one small circle. And besides this, we need a plate for making the biggest circle. See, this is my drawing file. I'm going to use it horizontally and I will keep it in the center. Okay, I will keep it in the center. See, now little space here, and here and here. So you all find out this kind of plate from your kitchen. Okay, get a plate like this. If you have any other circle, you can take any other circle. If you have any ring of this kind or any other object, you can use it. Yes, I'm waiting. Okay, you can go to your kitchen and get this. Yes, it's perfect. It's perfect, Avisha. Just keep it on your, how to check, see, no need to show me. You can take plastic cap also. Just keep and see, little space here and little space here. Very limited space should be left on both the sides, okay? So if you feel that, both sides we have space, so it means it's perfect, okay? Just keep. Now, how to draw? See, you can't draw a complete circle in one stroke. How to draw? Hold it like this. Now, half circle this way. Okay, many of you don't know how to draw a circle. So I'm teaching you, okay? And half from here. Come on, draw a circle. And you will find this kind of circle. Okay, come on, draw a circle, all of you. Okay, you use any object because with the help of object, it will be easy to draw. Okay, after this, After making a circle, is my screen visible? Please show your thumbs up. Can you see my screen? All of you? And can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. So now after making this, yes, draw a circle. Get a plate or any circle or any ring, whatever, but I want this much big circle. Here you can see that my circle is, see, little space here is left, little is left here, and both the sides. And I'm using my paper horizontally, okay? We are learning a drawing related to Mother's Day, okay? Because today we will draw and Wednesday we will color it and finish it. So it will be ready enough in advance to write your, beta, you won't be able to see me. You will be able to see only my work, okay? So let's learn it now. Now we need a bangle, okay? A bangle or any cups base or water bottles base, this much big circle. And I will keep it here. Not exactly top, here. Okay, see, it should not be very small. This much big is enough. Come on. And again, holding it, you will draw a circle. Okay, draw a circle, holding it. Okay, so always keep this kind of circles in your color kit, and in your material of coloring, because many times we need circle. So, like I keep this kind of plate, this kind of clay, discarded bangle. So this way I don't have to rush last moment. Okay, I guess I'm repeating. What we did, I took a plate and I draw a circle, leaving a little space here and here. Then I took another big circle and draw a more circle inside. Okay. Yes. Will I be able to check? Please lift up your work and show me. Show near, come near screen. Yes. Okay. And wonderful. And you will see the magic of numbers and letters today. Yes. I will be giving a quick revision on it. With using just letters and numbers, we will complete this. What we did, we took a plate, we draw a big circle. Then I took a bangle, you can take any other thing. And I draw one more circle inside. Only this much we have done, okay? And now let's complete the face of mom. For this, take a point in center. Dash, if your circle will be small, then your drawing will also become small, okay? That's why we are using a circle which is almost covering up the biggest part of your space, okay? So this is a center point and I will be using letter V, okay? V for victory. Story I will be sharing Anya next class. This drawing is having a great story, okay? And I will be showing two children here, one girl, one boy, okay? And they both are twins. So it's your choice. If you want to make both girls, you can make. If you want to make both boys, you can make. And if you want to make 3 children, you can make. And if you want to make the only child, and a single child, so you will be making single child here, okay? According to your family, you can make it. So now after making this, I will be taking a point on the top. Okay. After this, I will write V. Okay. V. How? See, this is a small, we can write normal V also, but I will be writing it slightly curved. Slightly curved. Okay. Slightly curved V. Come on. You can make it slightly curved. Can you see my video, students? Can you see my video? Please show your thumbs up. Okay, fine. Okay. Gaurav, you please click on active speaker view if you're not able to see my video, okay? Now, this is a point and I draw V. And see, I just made arms of V little curved, okay? Now I will be making, where we finish V now, I will be making C for cat. C for cat, where we finish V, C for cat. Okay, C for cat, C for cat. That's great, Tanya. You have birthday on Wednesday. Remind us, we will wish you, okay? Yes, beta, it is on. My video is on. You please click on active speaker view. So you will be able to see, okay? Gaurav, you please click on active speaker view. Otherwise, you can do one thing, you leave class and rejoin. So you will be able to see my video, okay? Now, as I want to show, two kids, they just plan a surprise for mom. So mama is giving a hug to them and looking down to them with love, okay? And lots of happiness. So let's show eyes downwards. C for cat, C for cat. She's looking down. Okay, C for cat, C for cat. And don't forget to show eyelashes, small lines. Okay? C, C. And looking down. Okay? It's okay, Lakshita. Okay, it's okay. See what we did? We draw a big circle, then a small circle. I took a center point, then V, C to show ears, C to show eyes, and again C to show eyebrows. Show eyebrows of mom, not very curved, and a bindi. Okay, we are showing Indian mom. Or if you want to show, you can show bindi. And if you feel, no, I don't want to make, you can skip it, okay? A small bindi. And again, a small C. It's okay. If this circle is little big or little small, it's okay. It is not going to affect your work, okay? So do it without hesitation. If your circle is slightly bigger or slightly smaller, it's not going to affect your artwork, okay? Okay, so Tia, if you want to make bindi, you can, otherwise you can skip. I will be repeating, I will be giving quick revision. I draw a big circle using this paper plate. You can use any object. Then I use this bangle for making mama's face. I took a point, then draw V. Then C for showing eyes closed, not closed, looking down. Again, C for showing eyebrows, and small C for showing nose. Very small C for showing nose. And almost straight. It is almost straight. It means slightly curved. If you will find, this line is very slightly curved. Okay? And you can make it straight also. If you want, you can make it straight also. Okay? Mark a point because I'm going to write big D. Mom is smiling. Very happy for the pleasant surprise given by kids. So I will be converting this line, I will convert in a capital D. Okay, capital D. So just make this kind of D. See, this is looking like capital D. D for determination. Okay, just show smile using letter D. Okay, so for this, first you will make a line. It can be straight or it can be slightly curved. Take a decider point and make a C. Don't forget to make Write 3, number 3. Number 3 to show tongue. Okay, this is 3 inside. Okay, and don't forget to make a line. You can make a line to show teeth. Yes, Riyad? Huh. Today we don't have Mother's Day. Mother's Day is on 9th of this month. Okay. So what will happen when we will start our drawing by today, na? So we will finish it on Wednesday. So you will find time to write, then decorate, hai na? So because of this, we are preparing our Mother's Day special drawing. It can be a card. Okay. Next class, be ready with scissors and Fevicol. We will do little craft in this. Okay. For making it looking beautiful. So, yes, after making this, I just want to check it first. Please lift up your work, all of you, and show me how it turned up. Very good. A very soft, very kind, very humble face. And Mama is the most beautiful in the world because she's having all love, whole means you will not find this much love even in ocean. That complete ocean of love is inside your mom's heart. And because of this, we will show the face very kind and very happy, gentle face. Okay. And take 2 points. Very well done. Very well done. You all have done it really wonderfully. Take 2 points. Take 2 points. We don't have class tomorrow. Our next class, when we will coloring it, it is on Wednesday. So Wednesday, I will give the list in the end of the class. Okay. So right now, let's complete the work. Okay. Now see here. Now see, in many families, there may 2 children will be there. In many, 3 will be there. And in many, only 1 will be there. Hai na? So you can make accordingly. Okay. So here I'm going to show 2. Boy and girl. You can make both girls, both boys, 1 boy, 1 girl, as you wish. Okay. So I will be making a line. Small slanting line. Not big, huh? Small slanting line. Okay. Small slanting line. If you want to make 1 boy, suppose you are the only one, and you are only child of your family, so you will be making a circle here. I'm going to make 1 child here, 1 child here. See, this drawing we are going to learn today. This is our drawing. Okay. So here you can see 1 child here, 1 child here. But if you are the only one, okay, it means you are the only one, then in that case, I will be showing that how will you show. See, in that case, you will be showing face this way. You will be making face just below the face of mom. Okay, so chalo, let's get started. So after doing this, take a point. Take a point here. Now see, in this drawing, they are twins. Okay, Ayushi and Rohan, they are twins. Okay, and the name of mom is Angelina. Okay, the name is mom is Angelina. So I will be showing 2 kids. But if you are the only one, then you will be showing only 1, just below face of mom. Okay, simple. Okay, now let's get started. Take a circle again, and here it should touch this point. Okay, so I will keep it here and I will make it this way. Circle, come on. Draw a circle. You can take any cap or any other thing. Okay, but make sure your circle should not be very small and tiny circle. Don't take, okay? You can make a boy. Yes, I told you now. Accordingly, I will be teaching you boy and girl both. See, this cute Ayushi and Rohan. They both are very happy. And today's artwork is this, and we are going to make it looking more beautiful using some craft in our next class. And this story is having a great, this drawing is having a great story, but next class, not today. If you want to make only one, you will be making this ways. Your circle will come. Those who want to make only child, their circle will come exactly below mama's face. Okay? They will be making a circle just below mama's face. Okay? Okay, now I will be making this a girl. Okay? So first take 2 points. Take 2 points. 1 point here, 1 point here. Come on. Those who are single, they will be making this face. They will be making this circle exactly below mama's face. They will be making circle. Keeping some distance, they will be making a circle here in the center. Okay, those who are the only one. And 2 slanting lines. Come on, draw this face. Okay, I will be making a circle which is almost touching this line of this shoulder line. And I took 2 points. Okay, I took 2 points and you can make 2 boys also. Okay. Now, I will be making this a girl. So take a point on side. Come on, take a point on side. Not exactly in center. See, for showing one child, this is mom's face now. So you will be showing one more face just below mom's face. Okay, you will not make it on side, just below, under mom's face. Okay, this ways. You will be making a circle here. Boy or girl, whatever you want to draw, you can draw it as. Now, after making this, you will be making a V. See, my lines are slightly curved. V. See, circle, don't take very big circle. Okay, I just gave idea. If you want to make 3, the third one can come here. Okay, you can make third circle here if you are 3. Okay. So what I did, I just took a point and draw a V. If you have more space, make the dress big. Okay, don't worry, make the dress big. Okay, extend your line till the end. And I will be, see here. Okay, all of you lift up your work and show me. Yes. You can make one also. Okay. Now what I will be doing, I will be making ponytail. Okay. C for cat. C for cat. A small leaf shape to show ponytail. Where this V finish. Okay. Where we finish V, there you will be making a small ponytail. Same here. C for cat. C for cat. Okay. You can change hairstyle if you know the method. If you want to make open hair, you can show one child. Yes, you can show one child. Okay. Those who are making only one, they will be making this ways. Okay. A circle just below face of mom, and they will be making the same thing as I'm showing here. And Ayushi. Okay, the name of this one is Ayushi. Draw a U. U. Okay, to show name of the frock. Our next class is on Wednesday. Okay. You can make 2 boys also. I will be showing boy. Okay. If you want to make 3 kids, in that case, you will be making one more circle here. Okay, just in middle of this, here you will be making one more circle. Okay, to show 3 kids. Okay, this ways. I will be showing boy also, Keyur. Very soon I will be showing a boy. Let's make boy also, because many are making only 2 boys. So they are waiting for the drawing to be done. So see, I'm making one more circle. Okay. And see, again, it's touching the line of Ritika, right now, see, in hairstyle, if you know the method of making, you can make that ways. Otherwise, you just go for ponytails. Okay. Okay, now see, this is boy. How to make boy? Take a point on side. Draw one more circle first. Draw one more circle. I just want to check the work. Please lift up your work and show me. Yes. Shabash. Wonderful. Jennifer, you can make faces little more big, beta. Your faces of babies are very small. So you can make them little more big, okay? Take little more big circle and you can see that is very good. It's lovely. Wonderful. Okay, let's complete boy also, because boys are eagerly waiting. It's lovely, lovely. Everyone's work is lovely, okay? Now, I will be showing one slanting line. Now, boys, okay? I'm showing for boys. The slanting line. And till here, I will be writing C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. Organized hairstyle. Okay, just draw C, 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 and C. Okay, this is boy. We are showing boy. Okay, and same ways, if you're making boy here, so here also this circle now. If you're making one child, so same ways you will be showing boy here. And if you're making girl, so I will be teaching girl, you can make this ways. Okay. After this, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. It's a slanting line, then C. And where your lines finish, there you will show ears by using C for cat again. Okay, C for cat again to show ears. Okay, and same ways as we showed girls' t-shirt. I will be showing a t-shirt, and for this, simple till the end of your circle. Come on, draw this face. Okay, you will be simply making lines this ways as I showed. And okay, and I will finish. And I will be making a U again to show the neck of t-shirt. Okay, U again. So you will be watching using letters and numbers. We are completing the drawing. Can you see my drawing? Is my video clearly visible? Please show your thumbs up if you can see. So Vishwajit, you please check beta. Click on active speaker view if you are not able to. And if you are making single boy, so your face will come exactly below mama's face. And see. Now, complete eyes, face, okay? Now for showing girl's face. For showing girl's face, I will be using C for cat, C for showing eyebrows. Come on. Yeah, I will be showing hands also. Let's complete face. And see, she's very happy. The eyes are closed. When we give a big smile now, the eyes are closed. You can try this. All of you give a big smile to see your eyes will become small. Give more big, so your eyes will become more small. And very big, so it will be almost closed. Very big smile, yes. Hannah, So this way is with a great badi wali smile, the eyes of this girl, Ayushi, almost closed. Okay, very happy. Big smile while arranging and managing for a surprise. Because they decided every time Mama is planning surprises, making our day special, let's do something for Mama. Hai na? And Mama is, you can see how happy Mama is, looking down and giving a lovely hug. Okay? Small, tiny nose. C for cat. C again for small, tiny nose. And yes, D for showing smile. And like Mama's face, we again use D, a line, a point, and D. Now see here, one thing you keep in mind, students, your D should not, your smile should not touch your chin. There should be gap. Okay, otherwise your face will look cunning. So make sure there should be a gap between your smile and chin. Ayushi is giving a big smile and the smile is that much big. Yeah, you can try another hairstyle also. Vallabh, if you know another hairstyle, you can try another hairstyle. Okay? Now say here, I will not show hairstyles. Okay? If you know how to make other hairstyles, you can show. Okay? Otherwise, you go with the same hairstyle I'm teaching you. Yes, hands also we will be doing. We will go little slow so that. Okay, so here you can see the eyes of Ayushi almost closed because of big smile. Okay. And I want to check the work. Please lift up, all of you. Yes. Okay, see, Wednesday your work will be ready. Then you will write and open your heart for your mom. Okay, write lovely lines showing your gratitude on this drawing, and Mother's Day, it will be completely ready to give it to your mom. Okay. Yes, very good. Very well done. Let's come back to work. So here the eyes are closed. And here I will be showing eyes. Okay. Rohan. Very happy because Rohan has also planned eyes. Just simple dots. Okay. Big dots. These are not very small, slightly big. Here I will show eyes this way. Okay. And now I will be making small, tiny nose. How? By writing C for cat. C for cat. And a very big smile. Very happy. Okay, you can again make this kind of C for showing a great smile. See, when this drawing will get finished now, you can write at the back. Okay. And yeah, we will be making a balloon in a very special way in which you can write your secret messages. Okay. So this is the craft which we are going to do next class. So you will find space for writing your secret messages also. Okay. Okay. And yes, now I will be showing those who are making the single one, they will be simply making this face. Okay. They will not make hands. Hands you will start when I will be teaching you. Yes, yes, I'm waiting. You can go. Sainika, you can go if you want to go to washroom. And no need to take my permission, okay, for drinking water or to go to washroom. No need to take my permission in online classes. Okay. Without permission also, you can go. So now see two babies, a girl and a boy is ready. And from where we started, where we finish our this shoulder line. And if you're making the only child, then your face will come exactly down Mama's face. Okay. And the method is same. Method is same. Okay. I want to check the work. Please lift up, all of you. Now, face and body of boy and girl is ready. Okay, those who are making the single child, they have also done it very nicely. And make it with pencil, not with sketch pen, okay? Don't use sketch pen. Very good. It's so beautiful. Now, connect from here to here. This you will be showing the neck of mama. C. Okay. Just draw a C and make the neck. Neck of mama's dress. Okay. Now I want to show Ayushi. Let's start with Ayushi's hands. Okay. So, and yeah, let's, before starting Ayushi's hands, single child. See, this is single child. Okay. So right now, you have not done hands, only the body. And body is same. Okay. The only thing, they are on both sides, you are making it at center. This is the only difference. Rest everything is same. Now let's complete hands of Ayushi. So take 1 point here, 1 point here. Yes, Lakshita, you can go. 1 point here. See, students, for going to washroom or to drink water, no need to take my permission. Okay. Without my permission, you can go. Okay. So now I took 1 point here, just near circle, 1 here, same here. And now I want to show the hand, okay, behind the back of Rohan. So I will be showing 2 lines holding on the back of Rohan. Okay, the hands are behind Rohan. Come on, show 2 lines coming downwards. Okay. And 1 line. Now see, those who are making single child, what they will be doing? They will be making hand downwards. Okay, so I will be showing the second hand. That ways you can do. Okay, so see how to show hands this ways. Now second hand of Ayushi will go up here. Okay, so those who are making, say, 1 child, their both hands will go up. Okay. Okay. And see, if Rohan is far, so you can simply make hands in air, complete hands. Okay. So see, this line is going here. And this is the last point. Take the last point. Take last point of Ayushi's lines. See, from this top point, I draw a line going upwards. And I will take a last point. And if you are single, then also your hand will go, both the hands will go upwards. Both the hands. Okay, because here in one hand, Rohan is holding flowers, and Ayushi is holding balloon, in which we are going to do little craft also. But if you are only child, then you will be showing 2 hands upwards. In one hand, you will be showing flowers. In one hand, balloon. Okay. So the way I'm showing, same ways you will be showing both hands. Okay. Now see, this is the last point. If Rohan is far, suppose your 2 kids are very far, in that case, you can simply show the hands downwards. Okay. Now see, this is point. Take 1 more point here. Yes, I will be waiting. Okay, I will repeat by the time. Here, one hand is coming downwards, and if you feel that Rohan is very far, then simply make hands downwards. Okay. And from the second point, I'm just showing a line going upwards. This is the last point. I took a point near. Okay. And now the second point and second point here and second point here, I will connect. Connect. Connect them. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now see, those who are making single child, they will be making both hands this way. I will be showing single child's kid. Okay, this way. I just made a rough picture also so that it will be clear. Okay, this way. If you want to show hands up, you can show hands up also or down also, this way. Okay. Yes. Those who want to make single. And if you are 3, then you can make one more circle and add the third one. Now, same ways, I want to check the work first. Please lift up your work and show. All of you. I want to check it. Very good. Lovely. Wow, it's looking so cute. Wonderful. Great. Let's complete. Okay. Now let's complete Rohan. 1 point here, 1 point here. Same ways as we made Ayushi's hands now. Same ways. And here also 2 points. 1 point here, 1 point here. Okay. 1 point here, 1 point here. Same here. Okay. And here, as we showed hands here now, we will be showing one hand going up. Come on, going up. Okay. Both are, yes, and this is single child's. Okay. You can make hands upwards also. If you want to show upwards, you can make up also. So here, see, in this drawing, Rohan is holding flower. Ayushi is holding balloon, but in one single child, we will be showing both things in hands of one single child. Hai na? So that child is holding both things, balloon and flowers, both. Okay. So in single child, we will be making him that child holding both things. Okay, don't get confused now. Let's complete. Now this is the last point. Take last point and take a point near. Now see, while making hands, keep one thing in mind. Yes, Rocky, I will check the work. Just a minute. Okay, after completing hands, I will check the work. I took 2 points here first. Then I draw a line in the direction I want to show my hands. And after making that line, I took last point and I took a point very close. Okay. Now from this point to this point, I will join. All of you, please lift up your work. Show me. I just want to check it first. Yes. Great. Very nice. And I can see such creative hairstyles. Lovely. Saharsh, are you making with sketch pen, beta? Don't use sketch pen, okay? Make it with pencil. Otherwise, what will happen if the lines will go wrong? You won't be able to erase now. So always make it with pencil. Wonderful work. Lovely. Let's come back to work. Now I will take eraser. First, like complete second hand of Rohan also. Rohan's hands, I will be showing neck, around neck, okay? Around neck of Ayushi. So this way they are holding each other because together they plan this surprise. You know what? This drawing is having a great story. Great story. And you will enjoy, very sure. I'm very sure. Next class, you will be enjoying the story of this drawing, okay? So here, Rohan's hand on neck, Ayushi's hand on the back, okay? And 2 hands upwards. You can make 2 girls also. Yes, you can make 2 girls. Take eraser. Take eraser and erase the lines of plates from Ayushi's hands. Okay, the lines of plates, erase from Ayushi's hands. You can make 2 boys. You can make 2 girls. 1 boy, 1 girl. The only child. 3 children, any ways you can make, okay? So here you can see hands are going upwards. If you're making single child, so both hands will go upwards, okay? And child will come in center. Yes, okay? Show your thumbs up if you all have done. And thumbs up with what? Badi wali smile, okay? Because I keep giving marks. 10 marks, 10 marks. And now be ready because I will keep asking question to boys team and girls team. So first question will be to boys team. Boys team, are you ready? Show your thumbs up. Okay, so 10 marks will be given. And girls, then your turn will come. Are you ready for answer? Yes. And besides this, you are going to get marks on smile also. Which team is showing me thumbs up with Badi Wali smile? Okay. So first I will guide. See, I want to show hands. So I will be writing a C. C for cat. See, this is big and now the line of hands are inside. And erase the line of circle. Okay. This is a C and here you can see the lines of hands are in this C. Okay. Okay. And now boys team, are you ready? I want to make hand. Which letter will I write? Will I write letter L? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up or thumbs down? L? No. Will I write W? W? Will I write C? C for cat? Correct. Boys team got full 10 marks. Now girls.
Ma'am, you are not visible.
Okay, fine. Just. And now after this, girls team. Okay, girls team, now it's your turn. First I will give, show and then I will ask. Now I want to show fingers. See you 3 times and 4 times. I will write you 4 times to show fingers as if they are holding something. Can I? Okay, girls team, are you ready? Give answer now. Which letter I will write here to show fingers? Will I write M for mango? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Will I write A for apple? Will I write U for umbrella? Correct answer. So 10 marks, both teams. U 4 times. Okay. 4 times you can write. If you feel that the C is quite big, you can make it small. Now I just draw it 4 times. And we will be showing an erase circle. Okay, you will be erasing lines of circle. So what Rohan did, the very young, cute Rohan and Ayushi, what they did, they woke up early morning that day. Okay, and they went out in their lawn and they just collected lovely flowers with a wonderful fragrance because they wanted to gift a bouquet. Okay, and at the same time, one more surprise. They both planned. Okay. First, let's make flowers. Okay. So here in Rohan's hands, 2 sticks. One is coming down. This is looking like J for jug and it is going up. Show 2 big flowers. Okay. Because Rohan and Ayushi know Mama love flowers. Okay. So they decided that early morning we will go and prepare a lovely bouquet. So when Mama will wake up, we will welcome, we will wish first with smiley flowers, with a lovely smile on our faces. And they were knowing that Mama will be very happy. Okay, now circle and simple flower. You can make any kind of flower. I'm making simply U shape around circle for making this flower. Okay, you can try any other kind of flower. Okay. And I will be making the another one. Okay, I will be making one more flower. For single one, what you will be doing? You will be showing same ways. The hand will be same. And you will be showing flowers same ways. Okay, the method is same. And another hand, we will be showing balloon. So, in one hand, using the same method, you will be showing flowers. Okay. If you want, you can add a leaf, a line, C for cat, C for cat. Okay. Yes. So, this ways, I simply draw 2 flowers in hands of Rohan. Okay. And now let's come on Ayushi's hands. Okay. So for showing Ayushi, and those who are making single child, in another hand, they will be making the same ways. See, I'm going to make open hair. See here, as you can see in my drawing, I will be showing open hair of mom. Okay, but if you want to change hairstyle of your mom, you can. Okay, earrings and open hair, I will be showing. Now, I will be showing S. Okay, from here, S for sun. One more S. She's holding. And she's holding balloons. Yes, colorful balloons. Okay, now many times students heart-shaped balloons. Many times students find it difficult to draw heart-shaped balloons or heart-shaped. So see, I will be showing how we can draw it simply. Just a circle, come on, draw a circle. Heart-shaped balloon, okay, in which we are going to write a secret message. Because next class, we will be doing little craft in this, okay. How to draw? Draw a V, open V, come on. V, okay, I will draw a point where I will be showing the knot and V. This is a V. And just exactly the point of V, you take a point and draw 3. 3. And your heart shape will be ready. V and 3. It's that simple. See here, this is the knot. V and boys and girls, kindly reply. What number I will write to complete my heart shape? Shall I write 5? Boys and girls, both. Let me see. Shall I write 1? Number 1 is all right, I think. Shall I write number 3? You know what? Boys and girls both are looking so confident. It's really difficult to decide which one is the winning team. 3. So V and 3 and your heart shape is ready. It is that simple. Okay. So see, Ayushi managed for lovely balloon and she just painted beautiful thought like love you mom, you are best in my world. So many things. And we are going to use these balloons for making our surprise messages. Okay, we will write our surprise message next class. Okay. Now let's complete Mama. Okay. 3 and V to show balloon, heart-shaped balloons. Earrings, Mama's earrings, just show 2 circles. Okay. And open here. See here, you are free with hairstyle. If you want to show a bun, you can show. I will love to show open hairstyle. Okay. So I will take 1 point on ears, 1 point on ear, and from here slanting, I will be showing open hair. Come on, see. Simple curl in here in the circle. Okay, and those who are making single child, same ways. Now let's complete hands. Okay, hands are left because mama is also giving them hug, na? Mama is also giving them hug for being such great children. Okay, so now all this is a very important step. Okay, please all of you listen this very carefully. Okay, how to draw this. Okay. Now, done? All of you have done this much? Here and all, show your thumbs up. Let me see which team is giving a big smile. I will deduct marks of the team which is not giving smile. Yes, now it's very difficult to deduct marks because everyone is looking like angel when you smile. It has the power. Your smile is such great and pleasant that all the depression and the pressure and stress will go away from you. Okay, you are blessed with such great smile. Lovely. Okay, now I will be showing hands. So see, now very careful, all of you, just attention. I want your attention. Now see this mama's shoulder liner, it will come on circle. Okay, and from here it will come down. Come on, come on, show a line this way. I'm showing you again. Okay, I'm showing you again. I will be making the line of shoulder line. I will extend. Okay. See, I will be going overhead and I will come this way. Then same here. I will be going for overhead and I will come here. Okay. Yes. And okay, this line is coming from overhead and a C shape. Okay. And for single child, you will be simply making this kind of round shape from here and from here. Okay. For single child, you will be simply making this kind of round shape. Okay. Actually, this is the method we are going to show hands. So first, let's show here, Rohan. Okay. So this line is coming. Take one point near ear. Near ear. Take one point. Okay. Near ear and just complete hands. Complete hand. Make a line. You will be getting, we will be uploading this video also. Now see this line is coming now. I took a point near ear and I will erase. I will erase the lines inside. Okay. I will erase the lines. Of body of Rohan from hands. We have 2 minutes and even our drawing is going to take hardly 2 minutes. Okay, and same I will be doing here. Now see here, I will be showing, taking a point here near the armpit, and from here I will be showing a line. For Ayushi, I will be showing a line near armpit. Okay, it means you're supposed to make 2 lines like this way. Okay, hands will come this way, round. Okay. And here I will be raising only the lines of frog and the line of mom's hands from here. Okay. Just 2 hands are coming in front. These are 2 circles. Here in single child, you can see the hands very clearly. It's a line coming and from armpit, one more line is coming. Now take 2 points. 1 and 2. Take 2 points. Come on, let's complete hands and our drawing will be completed. Okay, take 2 points here. Take 2 points here. Mama is holding them, giving them hug. Okay. Now see this top point, you will be making a U. U. Draw a U. U for umbrella from the this upper point. Okay. U for umbrella. And for lower point, you will be writing C. C for cat. Okay. Draw C for cat. Top point, you will be writing U. This lower point. Can you see me? Students, is my video clearly visible? Show your thumbs up. So see, those who are not able to see, you please check. Myra, you please check, beta. Myra, if you please don't cry, okay? If you lost your internet connection, beta, you don't cry, okay? You will, with help of recording, you can do, okay? So come on, be happy. Otherwise, girls team will get lose marks. Come on, okay? Don't worry, beta. Because see, one hand I'm showing now. You should know how to show boys and girl, and with help of recording, you will be able to do, okay? Now see from here, I will be joining and a line, okay? This is C, then join and a line. Same I'm going to do with my second hand also. I'm going to do the same with my second hand also. Okay, same a U, then a C, and connect. Okay, this is a simple. We just use letters and numbers. And don't forget to show bangles as we are showing Indian beauty. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. And yes, now what is your homework? Your homework is outlines. You will give outline when you will give outlines like this. Okay. So your drawing will look like this. Okay, it will come out this. See, from here, the hand is coming from behind. And from here, the hand is coming from front. Okay. Same we learn here. And this drawing, now material required. We need nothing more. We need Fevicol, scissors. Okay. Keep your watercolors ready. Keep some earbuds and cotton also ready. Earbud
Excuse
and
me,
cotton
ma'am.
also ready. Yes.
What if there is just one kid, because some of the kids are not able to draw the hand? So can you please show if someone is the single child?
Yes,
so
yes.
how
See,
the hands of mom
yes.
will go?
See, for if you are just showing the single one, in that case, the hands will go this way. I will be showing you. Okay. See, if you are showing single child, so you know how to draw a child now. Now the line, shoulder line will go round. From here also it simply go round. Okay. And then you will take points and you will make one more line. One more line. Okay. And when you will finish, where you finish, suppose these are lines of hands. Okay. Yeah, you will be outlining, you will give outlines with sketch pen. Okay. Black sketch pen. I will be showing what kind of sketch pen. Normal sketch pen. See, this is the line of hand. So here you will write U. Here you will write C and connect. Simply. Okay. And show bangles if you want. If you want, you can show bangles or bracelet, whatever. This way. Same ways as we learned here. Method is same. The only method, but here the child is single. So the hands will come this way. Okay. This is the only change, and rest everything is same. And here two kids are holding two things. Here the only child is holding both the things. And outlines, you will be giving outlines with sketch pen. And next class, watercolors, little cotton, earbud, Fevicol, scissors. Yeah, na? Fevicol and scissors is also required because we will be doing little cut and paste work in this drawing for making it looking great. Okay. And you will find space to write your surprise messages also. The next class is going to be full of excitements with stories, coloring, little craft and your beautiful paper also. Yeah, keep one drawing sheet also ready. Okay. So this is the work, and you will be giving outlines with this sketch pen. Okay. So after giving outlines, it will look like this. Okay. It will look like this. So this was all about today's work. I want to check the work. Please lift up. All of you. Lift up your work. Outlines is your homework. Okay, beta, you will be doing it in homework and so beautifully. I can see variation in hairstyle and all. Such lovely work. If you enjoy today's work, let me see, because 10 marks I'm going to give. If you enjoy today's work, show a thumbs up with badi wali smile. Yes, badi wali smile. That big ki aankhein band ho jaye. Yes, perfect Gurmehar. Perfect smile. So this ways, yes, and keep smiling because your smile is amazing. It's magical. Believe me. So with this, I will wind up. Lots of blessings. Wednesday, be ready with scissors, Fevicol, earbud, and let's make a wonderful card for your mom. The most loving and your most favorite. Okay? So with lots of blessings, I will wind up. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, students.